And then another new watch ni Huawei, which is the Huawei Watch 4. Itong bagong watch na ito has all of the goodies na gusto ko sa isang smartwatch. It has an eSIM function, it has a bigger screen na may LTPO AMOLED display, and best of all, meron siyang curved glass screen, so meaning hindi siya makanto. Lahat yan nandito sa Huawei Watch 4 and even more. Pag-usapan natin after this quick unboxing. So nakita na natin unboxing nito watch na ito, and makita natin na itong watch na ito is a little bit more simpler as compared sa Huawei Watch GT4 na recently kaka-review lang natin. Yung kanyang watch strap is nice and comfy, and it's also water resistant. Meron siyang curved screen display, 1.5-inch na LTPO AMOLED display with a bigger screen to body ratio, meaning halos walang bezel. It has stainless steel na frames. It is only 10.9 mm thick, even thinner than yung aking Huawei Watch GT4. And weighing it at around 48 grams is a little bit lighter din. And meron din siya mga feature na watch face dito, which are the Planet Quest na watch face. So all you need to do is just swipe. Meron kang Earth dito, may Moon ka, may Mars ka, may Venus, may Neptune, and all the other planets na favorite ninyo. Ako, personally, I'll pick Venus kasi yun ang pinaka-simplest ang kanyang itsura, no? So, pwede mo rin siya i-rotate yung planet, which looks something like this pag ni-rotate mo. Now, itong watch na ito is exactly the same din sa Huawei Watch GT4 ko, which is also IP68 dust and water resistant. Up to 580 m ang kanyang water resistant, but meron siyang bagong function dito na wala sa GT4. This one supports free diving up to 30 meters. So meaning pwede mo ito ibabad sa salt water and pwede mo siya suotin when you're diving, which hindi kaya ng GT4. And another function na sobrang gusto ko dito is pwede mo siyang i-pair sa iyong eSIM. And it so happen meron akong smart eSIM dito, so pinair ko siya dito. And I can make any calls dito anytime, anywhere. Kahit walang aking smartphone, I can simply call anyone using this watch. And meron din siyang shortcut button dito. Pag pinindot mo, meron siyang tatlong icon dito lalabas. And one of them is the call function. So try lang natin magtawag.
It's our pleasure to serve you today. If you wish to continue without hearing the balance, you may press any key.
Ayos, di ba? So kung mahilig ka mag-triathlon, mahilig ka mag-gym, this is probably one of the perfect watch for you. Hindi mo na kailangang dalhin smartphone mo. All you need is itong watch na ito. You can do all of the function dito. Pwede ka mag-connect to Spotify, listening to music. You can also call your friends or send some SMS message using this smartwatch. Meron siyang magandang function dito na 1 number 2 devices which let your friends and your family members contact you even hindi mo dala ang iyong smartphone on the same number. All you need to do is just go to any Globe Business Center and let them process it for you. Just tell them na gusto niyo avail yung eSIM ng 1 number, 2 devices para sa inyong smartwatch. And imagine yourself going to the convenience store without your smartphone. You can easily pay for your coffee sa Starbucks just by binding your QR code or your barcode dito sa inyong Huawei Watch 4. Today guys, magbabayad tayo ng dito sa Starbucks just using my Huawei Watch 4. Subukan natin. All I need to do is pasukan ko lang tong wallet ng Huawei Watch 4 ko. So ito na yung total natin, 154. Tapos subukan natin So ito na, nilabas ko na yung barcode ko. Beep, yun, nag-beep. Antayin natin yung resibo. Ayun na, bayad na. Galing. And kunin na natin drinks natin. So yun guys, ang bilis na magbayad ngayon kahit naiwan mo yung cellphone mo just using your Huawei Watch 4. It's so easy. And pretty soon magagawa mo na rin yan with GCash. So since naka-pair ang aking Spotify na premium account dito, subukan lang natin i-play one of the songs dito from Maroon 5. Pakinggan lang natin kung gaano siya kalakas. And by the way, it's using my data dito sa eSIM, so let's just simply play. And I think that's one of the function na magugustuhan mo when you're running inside the gym, sa treadmill. You can always pair this watch together with any buds na meron mo from Huawei. And mine is the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. And another thing, pwede mo gamitin din siya pang navigate. Naka-install dito sa akin ang aking Petal Maps, which is very useful. Pwede mo rin siya installan ng Gmaps should you want it to be. So you can see that you can navigate yourself to anywhere you want to go just by simply using the watch na ito and yung mobile network using your eSIM. And to mention some help function na meron dito sa watch na ito, I always look at itong watch na ito to monitor my personal health. So I have my exercise wheel dito. And itong slide na ito is probably one of the most used na slide ko dito sa watch na ito. I have my heartbeat dito, health monitoring, skin temperature. I also have my breathing function dito, stress monitoring. I also have the sleep monitoring over here. And my blood oxygen level is also present over here. Itong slide naman na ito is also useful. Nandyan aking call function and notepad and of course, my petal maps. Itong slide na ito is also very useful. Nandyan ang aking mga pang-workout mode. Nakita mo dito is my odometer and other stats na kailangan mo makita. And itong watch na ito has one-tap SOS. So meaning kung nadapa ka, you can press that SOS button to send it to your emergency contact number para malaman nila na na-aksidente ka or something, which I hope na hindi mo magamit. Now, did you know that you can always keep your health in check by always monitoring the health app, and you can glance the health report dito. You can see the average heart rate, you can see the blood oxygen level, your stress level, and skin temperature, pati yung ECG. And meron din siya bago dito, which is the respiratory check to always see if your lung is in good condition. Pag-usapan naman natin ang battery and charging dito sa Huawei Watch 4. Previously, on the Huawei Watch 3, you need at least 2 hours to fully charge yung watch mo. But this time, sa Huawei Watch 4, you only require 60 minutes to charge this one from 10% to 100%. And it's really fast. And did you know that itong watch na ito can give you a whole day of usage by just giving it a 15-minute charge, which is definitely cool. Now, based on my usage, itong watch na ito can last me for 14 days on normal usage, which means naka-turn off on most mga function dito except yung aking sleep analysis, and the rest is turned off. Kayang-kaya na magbigay siya ng roughly 14 days of usage. But if naka-on sila lahat, like eSIM, sleep monitoring, and like mga blood oxygen level monitoring, stress monitoring, except yung tina-turn off ko lang yung heartbeat monitoring, this one can last you for 3 days of usage, which is pretty not bad as compared sa Apple Watch, which can only last you for 1 day or even less than a day of usage. Ako pa naman yung tipong hindi mahilig mag-charge ng mga smartwatches. And meron din siyang arterial stiffness detection dito sa watch na ito, which can detect yung kamusta yung flow ng blood sa inyong arteries, nagsistiff na ba siya, nagpa-block na ba siya, which can save your life and prevent stroke from happening. So just quickly go over some of the function dito sa watch na pwede natin magamit. And right now we have 74% battery. You can choose a lot of watch face dito. Kung hindi mo makita sa iyo watch, you can download, you can buy some here. Very nice collection dito from the health app. Then you can check your health monitoring dito. Anong gusto mo i-turn on, anong gusto mo i-turn off. Then you can also check your ECG dito. No? So, lahat yan naka-pair. So, there are times na may madidetect siya. No? So, you have to take note of things like this. You can also check your premature arrhythmia analysis, which can detect early warning na yung irregular heartbeat, like that. You can control your music here. You can also download other apps dito from the app gallery na naka-preset para sa yung watch, no? Meron siyang mga app gallery na apps dito na naka-preset which you can easily download. You can check all of the notification na gusto mo turn on and turn off. You can also find your device, no? You can set your alarm, eSIM, wallet, like sinet na natin kanina, no? You can set 2 kinds of wallet dito. You can set yung mga cards mo like GCash. You can save yung mga QR ng GCash mo and PayMaya. You can also add some key cards ng bahay mo. Say, medyo high-tech ang bahay mo, no? Magamit ng NFC to enter. You can save it here. And there are other settings na gusto mo kalikutin dito. And always remember to check updates for your watch to stay updated. Now, with all of those functions na sinabi ko sa inyo, this smartwatch is definitely one of those more advanced na smartwatches that you would want to invest and lalagay na sa inyong wrist. Ako personally, gustong-gusto ko yung eSIM function nito. Ikaw, ano na gusto mong function dito sa Huawei Watch 4? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below, mga official store from Huawei. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a subscription to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.